Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shema if you guys don't know already, and I do videos on the makeup look right here and some unboxing, some reviews right here you can see. So yeah, if you are thinking like I'm doing overreacting, no, I'm not overreacting or overacting. But yes, I'm so excited, so happy to share with you all something interesting. Title you have already read. I'm doing so much unboxing and reviewing these days, but by the way, this is not the sponsored unboxing. Always, it doesn't go on the way that you are doing some sponsored videos or some advertising. No, it's not the case. Recently I started doing makeup and I'm doing makeup videos so frequent, so I want stuff, right? Sometimes your makeup, you are using continuously same makeup, doesn't attract viewers. Okay, sometimes when you are using tools, it get to ruined so quickly. Something is dirty, you need some alternative for that. So for that reason, I'm doing so much shopping, and when I'm doing shopping, I'm like, why don't I upload some unboxing or some reviews with you all? Because so many people ask me what kind of products or what tools you are using, Shama. So I get this is the best way I can tell you guys. Gauze, I was about to tell gauze, like how the product works exactly. So title you have already read. I'm going to do a mini review basically on brush set. By the way, this makeup I have used those brushes which I'm going to share here. No suspense, it's from Eigshow. You can buy it from their website directly, or they have on Amazon, right? So I got it from Amazon. Basically, I saw some one to use this, she was using on her Instagram video, the IGTV one, and I went and I was looking for brushes and I got these. They are in a mid-range, not too expensive, not too high. According to India, might you will find it a bit expensive, but brush is something, if you buy it, they goes for long. Okay, if you are taking care in a good way, they goes like, they last up to 4 or 5 years minimum. So yeah, I love what I totally love about this set is they clearly mentioned that they are cruelty free and they are vegan friendly. So this is something attracts nowadays to everybody. Okay, and it comes in a set of 8 and color is jet green. And I used some of the brushes, like only 3 I guess I haven't used, and you can see the finish. I use the beauty blender and these brushes to apply highlighter, blush and everything. Nothing is going here and there. Let me tell you how the brush looks like. I don't want to make a video too long. So it comes in a set of 8, 3 for face and rest 5 for eyes. One thing only I found a bit inconvenient, you can say, as you can see, there is no big blending brush for eyes, so I had to use my another brush to finish the eye look. I created this eye look using these only. So there is one eyeliner brush which I didn't use because I applied the liquid liner, sorry. So the another one is the flat brush. Then again, this is the flat brush, the simple one. I used it to blend my lower line. And the little teeny weeny blending brush, I used it to blend my crease. Then I found it's bit small, but it works so well. And you can use it for specific area. If you want to focus on some area, then this brush is nice for lower line. You can smoke out nicely. And this one is again a teeny weeny flat brush. You see, you can use the area where you cannot use easily with the big brush. So these are the 5 brushes I use. The quality is really nice. Let me can you see? It's really soft. They are small. Sometimes when you have a small size of a brush, it tend to you feel hard on your skin, but this is not the case with this. It's really nice. And these are the face brushes. I seriously want to tell you guys, they work like magic. Okay, this is the foundation brush. I'm not a fan of applying foundation with the brush. I don't find it comfortable on my skin, to be honest. I do, but the first hand I go for is beauty blender. You won't believe I applied highlighter with this and I found like this is a good alternative of when you don't have any highlighter brush or any blending brush around. You can easily use your stipple brush or the foundation brush, because how you apply foundation on your face, like this, right? So you go all over your face when you are applying foundation, but for highlighter you have to go on your high points, and when you are taking on the tip of this, and when you are doing like this, it goes so smooth. And today only I invent this, and if you guys want to try it. Works well. Can you see the original effect? There is nothing like, okay, you have highlighter on this specific area and just got a stick. No, it's really nice. I used it. Okay, and again, this is the powder brush. I'm like, I have so many powder brush, but trust me guys, I have so many high-end powder brush, but this is something magic. Can you see the finish? Can you? And the bristles finish, nothing is going like here and there. Everything is so sharp and so soft. Amazing. You have to try it. If you want to try, just try this. I'm not sure they have a single piece or not, but I guess the package is more cheap than the loose one. This is the blusher, kind of. This is the smaller version of this. So I applied blush with this, and yes, I did contouring with this also. Amazing. Totally worth buying it. I will put the link in the description box. This is the Amazon link. This is not the sponsored one, but if in case you guys want, and I'm in UK, but if you are in any other country, just try the brand. Maybe you will get the alternative where you can easily buy it. And yes, it's all about this video. If you like such kind of unboxing and review on my channel, do let me in the comment section, and I would love to do for you guys. So this is all. What you have to do is like, share and subscribe, and do let me in the comment section how you find my content. How do you feel about my content, and what next you want to see. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.